Hey guys, it's Amanda. What's up? I hope you're all having an amazing day. I, for one, am really fucking excited for this video because I'm gonna be unboxing my Telfar bag, which I actually received, this is really embarrassing to say, but probably a week ago in the mail, and I've just like not opened it. I've been waiting to film this video and it honestly like took me a bit to like, I don't know, get it all sorted out. It's been so nice outside and I just like haven't been filming. But I'm really excited to be opening this bitch up today. And then I'm also gonna be doing some styling at the end of this video just to show you guys how I personally will style this bag, which I'm really excited for because it's unlike anything I have in my wardrobe currently. So it's gonna be a lot of fun to pull some looks with this bag. I'm just gonna unbox it and then talk to you about it because otherwise I'm just gonna be holding this box for like half the video. So I have these like craft scissors and I hope that, honestly, do I even need scissors? They package their bags so well for shipping because it's such a big tote bag. I thought it would be in like a massive box, but this is almost letter mail, bitch. I have watched some unboxings while I was waiting to film this, so I already know exactly what the experience is gonna be. Okay, it comes wrapped in a plastic big Ziploc bag and then a dust bag inside, and then I'm like kind of like not even aware that I'm doing this right now because I fucking like can't believe I waited this long to unbox this. Anyways, the actual bag is inside. Period. I'm so excited. I haven't even seen like a Telfar bag in person. I know, actually, okay, that's such a lie. I haven't seen the medium one in person though. A lot of my friends have the really small one. You already know I got silver, bitch. I honestly expected it to be a little bit taller. I need to like, period. Okay, so obviously it has the longer strap, which is for crossbody, and then the little top handle. I got silver because you can't get a Telfar bag and get black. You know what I mean? It's like the range of colors is just too good to get black, and I wanted a bag that I could wear every day because I'm definitely gonna be using this as my school bag. I feel like this is gonna be like the universal school bag for everybody. Like it's just gonna be like part of the uniform. Take that as your sign. But I wanted to get silver because I wear a lot of silver jewelry and I feel like I just also wear cooler toned outfits. So basically it's still neutral enough to literally wear with everything, but it's like fucking silver. I'm most excited to wear this in the winter with a silver puffer jacket, my moon boots on, the snow around me. I'll be like reflecting off the snow and just blinding people. I'm not even kidding. But okay, I'm gonna take off this little paper tab that's holding the long strap. I'm a little bit nervous to try on the crossbody just because like I don't know how it's really gonna sit on me. I feel like I'm gonna do that real quick. It's so long, I can already tell how long it is. It sits just on my like hip bones. You guys will see it when I style it. I feel like everybody's two critiques for this bag is just like, why is this not adjustable? Even if they didn't want to have hardware on the like external part, they could have just put it in here, you know what I mean? Just so you could even adjust it like a little bit. Because it's super long if you're not like at least 6 foot. Kind of an unflattering spot that it hits you on. I wouldn't wear this crossbody with an outfit without much layering because I feel like it would just be like a little bit awkward. I'm gonna use the top handles the most. The only thing that kind of worries me is I don't know how much my arm can carry. I'm using this as a school bag and I have my laptop, textbooks, like everything in it. So we're definitely gonna see how this goes. I will no doubt update you guys. So if you haven't seen the interior, it has a magnetic snap and then it has a zippered pocket, which I really like. Originally, I thought it was just gonna be like a completely open bag. I've never done an unboxing before. I'm like low-key all over the place because I'm also like shook at this bag because I haven't seen it. Just matches. It's like a gray color and it has the Telfar monogram embossed on the front. I love the simplicity. I like how there's no hardware on the bag. I feel like a big selling point for people is the fact that then they don't have to coordinate their jewelry or accessories if they had like silver versus gold hardware. Obviously I'm going to be coordinating silver jewelry with this bitch because it's so silver, but I do like how there's no hardware. As I said, if they could have done like an adjustable thing inside of the bag, that would have been like literally perfect. But for the price point of this bag, I paid $300 for shipping to Canada. So that included taxes, shipping, everything. And I got this bag on June 4th. So if you don't know, Telfar does semi-annual drops. I think it's twice a year, kind of like midway through the year, where they do all their colors and then you have to get on their fucking website and get what you want like right away. And then I think those ship within like 3 months. Honestly, don't quote me on how long it takes, but a lot of my friends have ordered bags and they've been waiting, and I'm like, okay, period, I got this last week. And then they also do weekly color drops. So you just kind of have to keep your eye out on their Instagram, or if you get their emails. I had been talking about wanting the silver one, and I swear to God, the next week they announced that they were doing a silver drop. I decided to get the medium because I'm gonna be using this as a school bag, as I said. So actually my laptop right here. It's really heavy, so I'm kind of like wondering how my arm is gonna be able to take that if I'm carrying this for a whole day of school. But another thing a lot of people mentioned was the fact that the difference between the small and the medium is so huge. My mom really wanted to get a Telfar bag, but the small one is just like not practical for what she was carrying. It's more of like a going out, going to brunch, like you literally don't have anything on you but your card and lip gloss type bag. And this one's obviously a lot bigger. I think it was 2014 that they released their first shopper, like tote bag. So I guess this exact bag. And it's actually insane to think about from 2014 until now, 2021, that it like popped. A huge selling point for me was just the brand itself, and that's definitely a big reason why people buy into luxury. Like, as much as it's about the item, it's a Black-owned business. It's making luxury accessible to a lot of people who maybe can't afford like a $3,000 bag but still want a brand name and still want quality. It's vegan leather, which is just vinyl. I think vegan leather is like the funniest thing that people like that we've coined. Even though it's vinyl, it does feel really nice. It doesn't feel very plasticky. So I mean, as I said, I'll definitely update you guys with how this bag wears. I did want to also mention crossbody is just like never been the vibe for me. Even through middle school when everybody had the like crossbody Rebecca Minkoff like zippered bags, like I did not like crossbody. It just has never been my thing. So that was like the main thing I was really debating. I'm like, this is a crossbody bag, bitch, what are you doing? Because of the style of the bag and the shape of it and the size of it, it's completely different. So even if you're not somebody who like generally would, you know, gravitate towards crossbody, it could be something fun and challenging to style. Really happy I finally unboxed it. My whole family every day has been like, Amanda, like what is going on? Like when are you gonna open the fucking bag? We want to see it so I can finally show everybody. We're gonna just hop into the styling portion of this video right now because I'm just like gonna keep going on about this bag.
I'm so fourth quarter, 100, 4 quarters, dummy clutch, tight rope, double dutch, 10 rappers at once, another lunch, y'all pump fake, 12 gauge, I double pump, did it once, rip nip, double up, killed another show, bloody murder, another cut, this is all true, volume, turn it up, yeah, all true, volume, turn it up, yeah, 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 yeah. Paranoia on my mind, gotta watch my back. Paranoia on my mind, ain't no turning back. Paranoia on my mind, gotta watch my back. Gotta watch my back. Paranoia on my mind, yeah, yeah. If the bridge is burned, it wasn't sturdy to begin with. Never started something without the intentions to finish. Remember when I didn't have cable, we watched The Simpsons. Wasn't worried about women while my classmates was simping. 4 boys living in a home, I was timid. No name brand for Christmas, I couldn't work on my image. They riffed me at the tables, but I focused on the writtens. They was bumping the drought, my favorite rappers were Christians. I was trying to relate, they was trying to deflate the dreams I had to be brave enough to rap in mama's face. 2013, Papa couldn't say a word. I used to be a mute, now speak is my favorite verb. They told me get a job and music would never work. The moment that I ain't listen was the moment when they heard. Had to show them life was even more than what Papa paid the mortgage. Your friendship or this fortune, which is more important?